Hey there, future entrepreneur. So, you want to start a business in 2025 without renting a giant warehouse, buying a forklift, or living in a cardboard box until you turn a profit? Well, I've got 20 small, home-based manufacturing business ideas that are low cost, fun to start, ready to be your own boss in 2025. Let's dive in. Okay? Artists, designers, and doodlers, this one's for you. Do you spend your days creating masterpieces on your iPad? It's time to bring those babies into the real world. Turning your digital art into physical products is like magic, but instead of a puff of smoke, you get cold, hard cash. Remember those craft kits we had as kids? They're back in big business, but we're not talking macaroni necklaces. DIY craft kits provide the joy of creating something beautiful without the hassle of sourcing materials. Think kits for making natural candles, hand lettering cards, or building miniature terrariums. Buckle up because we're entering the magical world of sublimation printing. Imagine a coffee mug with your best friend's embarrassing childhood photo or a t-shirt with a hilarious inside joke. Sublimation printing allows you to create unique and personalized gifts. With low startup costs and creative freedom, it's a fantastic side hustle. Calling all organization enthusiasts. The world of planner, inserts, and stationery is calling your name. People are obsessed with getting organized and will pay for the tools to help them. Think printable habit trackers, stylish to-do lists, or custom planner stickers. Designed for specific niches like students, entrepreneurs, or busy moms. Sell digital downloads, no inventory, no shipping costs, pure profit. Let's face it, people are obsessed with their pets. From stylish dog bandanas to all natural pet treats, the possibilities are endless. Tap into the demand for eco-friendly and sustainable pet supplies. Custom home decor. Signs are in, and they're a fantastic way to turn your creativity into a profitable business. Think rustic farmhouse signs, minimalist wooden signs, or personalized signs with family names. Use a variety of materials and experiment with different techniques. Create signs that are unique, personal, and reflect the homeowner's style. Embrace your inner chemist with bath bombs and body scrubs. People are obsessed with self-care, and luxurious bath products are in demand. Experiment with different scents, colors, and ingredients to create unique products. Calling all tech-savvy creatives. Laser cutters are like the Swiss Army knives of the crafting world. Create custom wooden signs, personalized cutting boards, or delicate laser cut ornaments. Products for weddings, holidays, special occasions, or everyday life. Laser cutters are becoming increasingly affordable with tons of online resources. Embrace your inner artist with resin art. Resin allows you to create stunning color gradients and achieve a glossy, professional finish. Think coasters with pressed flowers, trays with gold flakes, or ocean-inspired wall art. Create resin masterpieces that will have everyone asking, well, wait, you made that? Enter the world of handmade soap, where creativity knows no bounds. Soap making is like a science experiment that smells amazing. Create vibrant, exfoliating, or luxurious soaps with essential oils. Soap making is relatively inexpensive to start. Candles. The flickering flame, the warm glow, the intoxicating scents. Candle making is a timeless craft that's both therapeutic and profitable. Create candles with unique scents like freshly baked cookies. Candles make fantastic gifts for any occasion. Calling all magpies and fashionistas. Jewelry making is a fantastic way to express your creativity. Create unique pieces that reflect your style. Turn your passion into a profitable business. Custom t-shirts are here to stay. T-shirt printing is a fun and potentially lucrative business. Create t-shirts with hilarious puns, designs inspired by TV shows, or your own artwork. Use various printing methods and find your niche. Don't underestimate the power of a well-designed sticker. Stickers are tiny pieces of portable art that can be slapped on any surface. Create stickers with adorable illustrations, motivational quotes, or custom designs. Stickers for businesses, events, organizations, or just for fun. 'Tis the season to be jolly and profitable. Personalized ornaments are a holiday staple. Create ornaments with family names, pet portraits, or custom designs. Personalized ornaments make fantastic gifts. Tapping into the holiday market. Calling all sewing enthusiasts. Handmade headbands are a stylish accessory. Create sporty headbands for workouts or elegant ones for special occasions. Start selling in no time. Freeze-dried candy is a thing, and it's about to change your snack game. Freeze-drying transforms ordinary candy into crunchy, airy, and flavorful treats. Package your treats in eye-catching containers. Keychains are not just for holding your keys anymore. Create collectible, fashionable, and expressive keychains. Use various materials and embellishments to create unique designs. Who doesn't love a keychain that makes them smile every time they reach for their keys? Car magnets are a fun and effective way to personalize your ride or promote your business. Create magnets with funny family stickers, business logos, or sports team logos. Car magnets are easy and inexpensive to make. Handmade greeting cards are a tangible expression of thoughtfulness and care. Create cards with intricate designs, hand-painted illustrations, or funny puns. Make cards for every occasion, from birthdays to holidays. Create beautiful and heartfelt cards that convey warmth and personality. Express your creativity and spread joy with handmade cards. Turn your love of paper crafting into a profitable business. There you have it, 20 small home-based manufacturing businesses you can start in 2025. From digital art to pet products to freeze-dried candy, the possibilities are endless. Do your research, test your market, and enjoy the process. Starting a business should be fun, challenging, and rewarding. If you got value from this list, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with a side hustle you want me to cover next. Until then, happy crafting, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.